headed out to New England. Hopefully, perfect timing for the fall colors. Now all I need to do is get my wife. It's my first full day. We arrived last night. We are here in New England in time to get the fall colors, and I'm excited. So I'm here for 2 full weeks with my sweetheart, my wife, and we're going to do several things. So you're going to see, hopefully you're going to see quite a few posts from this 2-week trip. We're going to hit some waterfalls. Of course, we're going to hit the beautiful fall colors. And we're going to talk about my brand new Fujifilm X-T4. I did go on one previous expedition with it. You probably saw it. If not, the link will be up here. Up here in the corner. And to a place called Crystal Mill to just try it out just a little bit. I mean, I'd only had it a week and a half then. Now I've had it 2.5 weeks, so not much difference. So we're here in Pittsfield, Massachusetts. So I don't know, maybe this is the pits. I'll tell you one thing that's pits, and that's this dang cold sore or fever blister or herpes one, whatever you want to call it. It's ugly, and hopefully you'll watch it go away over the next few days. But anyway, so waterfall. Oh, I forgot, churches and cemeteries. I love the New England churches and cemeteries. Being from back in Utah, which is 2,500 miles away from here, we don't get the beautiful cemeteries that they do here, and we don't get the 200 and 300 year old churches that they get here. So it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to use the X-T4. We're going to use the drone. I've got my old X-T20. I did not even bring my full frame Canon camera on this one, so it's all up to this little Fuji X-T4. So we'll see how it does and talk about it, the good, the bad, and the ugly along the way. Right now this is being handheld in image stabilization mode, so hopefully you can see the image stabilization working on this. It's also in autofocus with eye sensor on, so it should keep my face in pretty good focus as we do this. So let's get started. Meanwhile, roll that intro. Viewing these X-T4 videos, I could quickly see that it could have benefited from a gimbal. Watch for a future vlog where we'll talk about some economical ways to get smoother videos. Pittsfield, Massachusetts was incorporated in 1761 while still under British rule, and was named after British nobleman and politician William Pitt, and at the time had about 200 residents. Now a beautiful and vibrant city catering to the arts and culture, it is the largest city and the county seat of Berkshire County on the western edge of Massachusetts, with a current population of around 42,000. Lenox, Massachusetts, on the very west side of Massachusetts, not far from New York. And one of the things that I'm excited about seeing during this next couple of weeks out here are the old churches. Love the old churches, and also going to try to get in some cemeteries. Moving on down the street, less than a mile and still in Lenox, is the Church on the Hill Meeting House and Cemetery. Lots more places to visit, and not only churches and cemeteries, but waterfalls, plenty of fall colors along with some rainy day photography, and a demonstration of in-camera dodging. If you're interested, be sure and click that subscribe button and the bell to be notified when the new ones come out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this is Scott Law, the world's oldest vlogger, reminding you to keep on keeping on.